This is a demo regarding our subscriber app. This app has been introduced to help you out regarding the offer details and alerts that you would want to be placed by only those vendors whom you want to take the service from. By a subscriber app, you can subscribe to the respective publishers to get notified each time about recent offers, discounts, and validity. You can subscribe for call and SMS notifications even without the app by giving a missed call on their reserved number. But in order to receive app notifications, you have to install this app and use it. You need to firstly open the app and register to this app if you are opening it the first time. And if you are already registered, click on the login option and enter your credentials. By clicking on login, you'll find this page opening up. The first option here is the publishers option. You will be redirected to a page where you can either add a new publisher or see the publishers list that you have subscribed to. You can even unsubscribe a publisher if needed. Here, you can add the publisher's subscription code and then click on subscribe to get its subscription. Next, here is the subscriptions button. By clicking on it, you can see your subscribed publishers. Since I have not added any right now, so the list is empty. But if I add a subscription code here and click on subscribe, you can see that the subscription has been successful. And on clicking on subscription, I'll find the subscribed publisher here in the list. The next option you'll find here regarding the notifications. On clicking on the notifications option, you'll find the app notification provided by the subscribed publishers. The next button is regarding the profile. On clicking on it, you can see your current profile details. You can even edit it by clicking on edit option and update them. The next option is regarding the about section. By clicking on it, you can go through the app details and its features. The contact details for feedback and support are provided below on this page. Next, you can find the three dots on the right hand side. By clicking on them, you'll find the same profile option here for editing and a logout option to log out till the next use. On the left hand side, you can find these three lines. On clicking on them, you'll find a drop down menu. By clicking on the first option, home, you'll be redirected to the main page. By clicking on publisher, you'll find yourself on the same publisher page about which I had explained earlier. The next option is regarding notifications. By clicking on it, you'll find yourself on the notifications page as I had explained before. And this is the about option through which you can find the app details. This also we have gone through earlier in the video. The next option is the help option. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to our YouTube playlist regarding the subscription app features and demo. Here you can find all the details and the videos. There you'll find videos regarding our subscription app demo, its features, and how you can use it. Next option is WhatsApp support. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to your WhatsApp support. Here you can enter your issues, your feedback, or whatever you want to contact about. That's all regarding this app.